Yeah, we're gonna make a wrap on the SST John Deere 16. Deck was all on. I promised I would do a little bit of mowing with it, and you've seen other YouTubers, creators mowing, but let me show you what this old thing and why I love it. Let me climb on here, and I'm gonna turn the sound off. Let's do some 360s. Well, had the camera off. I go around that telephone pole one more time. See why I love this old SST. They already been around. Camera back on, you can see why I definitely love this old tractor. And watching Brian over there at BC Block 02, boy, he got that John Deere, that watch the video, his latest video on the tractor, 430. Got the 3-cylinder Yammer motor, I believe, in that. But Brian, yeah, we got her done. You know what? That spark arrestor in that carburetor causes this thing on a real quick turn cut out. So I guess I'm gonna have to break down and replace that, pull that hole, and I cut the end off, put it in there. But we're gonna wrap up the SST, and mowing season will be over here in Texas soon. But yeah, underneath that old car, 58 Ford. We're getting off subject. Sure wish somebody would buy that. 52 years, long time since 72. No, that's 51. But done some major cleanup around here. Got the water well fixed. So anyhow, that telephone poles are a piece of cake now. Bear's Rod Shop, we're out. If you like this kind of content on these old SSTs, share them with somebody that might own one. And there she blows. Spin Steer Technology. Dinosaur 99 model. We're out of here. Well, thanks to my wonderful daughter and grandson come over. My daughter worked her fanny off on Sybil's wonderful garden spot she always kept. Even weeded out those moonflowers. So today, time to pick up all the debris because she cut a bunch. And this is just the first load, so this is gonna make good use of the old John Deere tractor today. We'll get her going, won't we, John Deere? We're out.